What's up, gentlemen? So as you guys know, last year we launched the Pedro Fresh Deodorant. It's a natural deodorant that didn't have a bunch of toxic crap in it. And at the time, I truly felt like it was the best natural deodorant on the market. But in my opinion, it could be better. And so I went back to the lab and I challenged them. I said, all right, the deodorant that we made, the first version, was incredible. How do we make it better? How do we make it last longer and help guys stay fresher? And so after a bunch of different formulations, a bunch of different testing, we have cranked up the protection power. The new and improved Pedro Natural Fresh Deodorant is the best deodorant on the market. It is better than our previous version. I am so incredibly excited for you to get this bad boy on your pits. Once again, it is a clear solid. The scent, still incredible. Eucalyptus spearmint, we didn't change that. All we changed was the protection power. It lasts longer, it protects better, it's gonna keep you smelling fresher all day long. Gentlemen, bottom line is this: if you are ready to have an amazing natural deodorant that doesn't have a bunch of toxic crap that you're rubbing underneath your pits, getting absorbed into your body, but you still wanna make it last all day and smell sexy and fresh all day for those spicy ass senoritas, gentlemen, now is the time. The Pedro Fresh Deodorant is new, it's improved, and it is better than ever.